around the nation, to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.
The 2026 FIFA World Cup ended with Spain lifting football's biggest prize, but one of the most talked about moments came after the final whistle. US President Donald Trump joined FIFA President Gianni Infantino and other dignitaries on the presentation stage, where they awarded medals to match officials, Argentina's players, and eventually the Spanish team before presenting the FIFA World Cup trophy. The ceremony took place at the New York, New Jersey Stadium in East Rutherford, New Jersey, shortly after Spain defeated Argentina 1-0 after extra time to become world champions. As seen in the video, President Trump personally greeted players, congratulated members of both teams, and stood alongside FIFA President Gianni Infantino during one of football's most iconic traditions. Together, they handed the World Cup trophy to Spain's captain before the celebrations began. Trump's appearance immediately attracted worldwide attention because it highlighted the close relationship between the United States and FIFA, as the country hosted one of the biggest sporting events in history. Supporters described the ceremony as a proud moment for the United States, saying it reflected America's successful hosting of the tournament and the country's growing influence in global football. Others focused on the symbolism of a sitting US president participating so prominently in football's biggest celebration, arguing that the images demonstrated how major sporting events have become important platforms for international diplomacy and global leadership. Whether viewed as a celebration of sport or a display of political symbolism, one thing is certain: the images from the World Cup final will be remembered not only because Spain became world champions, but also because the President of the United States stood at the center of football's biggest moment. What do you think? Was President Trump's role an appropriate way to celebrate the host nation, or should the spotlight have remained entirely on the players? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next report.
From around the nation to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.